Hey guys, welcome back, Monkas here. Welcome to part 11 where we're building Questionly. Remember, our mission is to give everyone the power to ask the right questions. That's the idea of the platform. I've got quite a few things done. Again, if we go to our GitHub, Questionly, or maybe here, we actually got a bunch of commits done yesterday. I'm not sure if I can see by date, 17th, 18th, 19th, so I got 15 contributions done yesterday, and that was all on the back end, so I don't have loads to show because it's sort of behind the scenes, it's not front end, you can't see it. So I don't think I've shown any of these in the previous videos, but I created the API Django app. Undo that. I guess I don't really need to go around necessarily showing all of that. Where's the code? I guess I can show the file structure. So we've got the API that we've built. I created a folder for the models, for the permissions, for the serializers. We've got tests. I haven't actually written any tests yet, and we've got views, and I haven't actually written any views yet either. So create the API Django app. We've created folders for models, views, permission, serialize, and test. We've created the QuestionBoard model. Now the QuestionBoard model right now, this is the wrong one. The QuestionBoard models right now, so we've I don't know why I didn't see it there. I think I looked at PyCache, but we've got a base models. That's going to be where I put all my abstract models. So some models that are going to be they're going to be common across lots of different models. So an abstract model is basically a model that's really not its own model. It's just it adds fields to other models, like a datetime model, for example. You might have. So right now it's super basic. So I've got like a timestamp model, which is just the date created, and then on like QuestionBoard we inherit timestamp model, which then means that this also has the field from that model, so it's inherited. Right now we've got a user, so you will sign up as a user. You'll be able to create a question board, and that board will be associated with you. That board will have a title. You'll get to choose whether it's public or whether it's private to you. This is really important. And then we're going to have a many to many field with questions, and this is key, and it's very important. And that's because the way I want it to be structured, I want questions to be unique. So a question board can have many questions, and one question can be on many question boards. And that's the idea. So you only store the question once in the backend. So I haven't written the view set for that yet, so the logic doesn't exist, but that's fine. And it's not going to be constrained in the backend. It's more going to, because I think that causes some issues which I won't get into. It's going to be constrained when you actually create it. So we're going to check if it exists, and if it exists, then we're not going to add it. And then we've got question model, which is really simple, which is just the title, and I guess it could be not necessarily title, but just the text, so I can change the name of that field. So that's what we've done in the back end. Anything else? I've created the serializers, which is just so our front end application can see the data, of course. What else have I written? So yeah, I want questions to be unique. I've got serializers, and this was more work than I thought. I guess you have to think about it all. I haven't done the views yet. I haven't done the sign up button. I'll probably do it at a later stage. I haven't decided how I want to do it. I know that Django by default uses a GET request to log you out. Considering implementing it as a POST request. So basically, POST request, the user will get to like confirm whether they actually want to log out. So nothing's changed in the front end yet, but what I'm going to be doing now is this is what the dashboard looks like. This is definitely subject to change, but you'll be able to click on my boards and your boards will appear, and you'll be able to create a new board, and you'll be able to then click on the board detail, and then you'll be able to add questions to that board. And that's the flow I want it to be for now. I also want you to be able to maybe create question flows, or kind of have a window where you just have like one question displayed, almost like a presentation-esque thing. I think there's so many ways you could go. So for now, that's what we're going to be doing. And that's it really. Oh yeah, I also added the admin so we can see our models in the API, question boards and questions. I think I'm going to make a profile model too, which will just be a one-to-one with the user model. So you'll sign in and then you'll be able to customize your profile. And maybe that's a way that I can start introducing some charges, you know, if you want to allow people to customize the way their pages look, etc, etc. So that would kind of be like a freemium model. So yeah, that's where we're at with the web app. So thank you for watching.